In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a journal in Notion, ideal for beginners who are just getting started with this powerful tool. Notion is an incredible app that helps you organize your thoughts, plans, and ideas all in one place. And creating a journal can be a fantastic way to harness its potential for personal growth and reflection. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is create a new page in Notion. This is where your journal will live, acting as a blank canvas for all of your entries. When you're setting up your new page, consider titling it something simple and descriptive like Daily Journal or Reflections, something that feels personal and inviting. In Notion, pages are the foundation of your workspace, so having a dedicated area for your journal is essential for keeping everything the way you like it. Next, let's add a database to your page. You have a couple of options here. You can choose to create a table or a list, depending on your preference. Both formats have their own benefits. A table provides a grid-like structure, which can be quite helpful for organizing entries by different criteria, while a list gives you a more straightforward, streamlined view. Either choice will serve your journal well, so think about what fits best with your style of note-taking and organizing. After setting up your database, it's time to add the date and entry columns. The date column is crucial because it helps you keep track of when each journal entry was written, providing a time-stamped history of your thoughts and reflections. In this column, you'll enter the date for each entry, helping you easily navigate your journal over time. Meanwhile, the entry column is where the magic happens. This is where you'll write everything from insights gained throughout the day to feelings or ideas you wish to explore further. Finally, the heart of your Notion journal, writing daily reflections. Set aside a specific time each day, even if it's just for a few minutes, to sit down and write. Use this time to jot down what happened in your day, what you're grateful for, things that went well, or even challenges you encountered. The key is consistency. Over time, these reflections will build a rich tapestry of your experiences, offering you insights and often a sense of progression in your personal journey. With these steps, you now have a functional and personalized journal within Notion. This tool not only helps you build a habit of self-reflection, but also makes it easy to revisit past entries and discover patterns, growth, and memories. Happy journaling in Notion. And remember, the journey is as important as the destination.